Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? Thank you for joining me on this daily live inspiration. Thank you for all your wonderful comments, your emails. I get them. And for those who want to ask questions, feel free to send me a direct message or send me your questions on my WhatsApp. I'll leave the link and the number below. Well, if you haven't seen our previous videos, we talked about your greatness. So by now you should know that you have greatness in you. Follow your heart in everything we do. That was yesterday's video. And today I wanted us to talk about leveling up. You know your greatness, you're following your heart. Now let's change your situation to go at least one level up, one step beyond where you are right now. And first, it starts with attitude. You have to choose that you want to level up. Then you'll have to check in your surrounding and in your mind the things you can level up. Some of the things may need time, resources, but there are some things you can change right away. For example, you can choose to level up maybe in your appearance. If you're a bit too casual, you can choose to level up and dress a little nicer. Just iron your clothes. You can choose to level up by decluttering. Do you have so much stuff at home, in your office, in your surrounding, and most of it you don't need? It's taking up energy and resources and space. You can level up like that by cleaning your surrounding, decluttering your email. I know most of you, your emails are full. Hi Sally, how are you? Nice to see you. Leave comments below. So another way to level up is, I mentioned decluttering, I mentioned environment. Environment can be environment as a place, environment in terms of people. What kinds of people are surrounding you? If they are full of negativity, well, you can level up by looking for people who are more like-minded, people who are more along your lines. Like-minded people, meaning they have goals they are trying to achieve. They are intentional in their lifestyle. They are growing from one level to another. Those are the people you want to surround yourself with. So make it a point that you're leveling up in terms of the company you keep. If you don't be fooled, if you keep company with corrupted minds and corrupted people, lazy people, it gets on you, and before you know it, it becomes your new normal. Yet the whole point is you want to try and level up. So mind the company you're keeping, the friends you're keeping around. Another way to level up is acquiring a skill. Go back to school or take a little workshop, attend a conference, read a book. Every time you increase your vast of knowledge, you're leveling up in your personality, in your life in general, because every time you get a piece of knowledge, it adds on to your raw material for the wisdom, because that knowledge turns into wisdom at some point. You see? So we are talking about leveling up. I've given you a few ideas. Let's see here. Another way to level up is to claim your worth. What are you worth? Are you worthy of being treated well? Are you worthy of being mistreated? Remember, you will teach other people how to treat you. So if you don't know your worth, if you don't know how to treat yourself, other people are going to mistreat you and you won't know how to say no. How will you now level up? Is by knowing your worth, continuing to claim your greatness, knowing that you'll be moving from one step to another. So the challenge this weekend is Pick one way you can level up. Take one action. Whether you choose to read a book, apply maybe for a little conference, a little workshop, a little knowledge base. Say no to something. You know those people who pull you in to do all their things and help them achieve their dreams while your dreams are sleeping. Learn to say no. Stop being a people pleaser. Create that a boundary. Teach others how to treat you. Remember to claim your worth. Greatness is in you. And let's see anything else. Oh yes, also say yes to adventure. Some of the things you want to do are outside your ordinary boundary. So as you're leveling up, opportunities are going to come whereby you can step out a little bit. Be able to say yes to adventure. Say yes to something new. You'll be surprised that you'll have the ability to level up. All right? So I hope that helps. Let me see who is in the comments. Oh, hi Peter. Hi Vincent. Raymond, thank you for staying around. Thank you guys for for staying while we're on this live, and I'll talk to you soon. Be sure to leave your comments below and any questions, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye guys. I love you.